All right, we're at the bottom of Poison Spider Trail. Got my buddy Jake with me today. He's gonna be helping out with the camera. Say hi, Jake.
Hi.
We got a lot of work at the shop, so I had to leave the guys at the shop. But that's all right, we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna go get a side-by-side. Apparently the transmission's cracked or broken or something's going on, so we've got the trailer. Here we go. This section of road from here up is why I highly dislike this trail. Because it's just bump, 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 and just rough and crappy. That's my take on it. Okay, this obstacle is called launching pad, because when you get down to the bottom and you go up, it feels like you're rocketing to space. So here, we're sitting level right now, and there's the hill. Steep little hill. And we are now on Golden Spike Trail, which connects Poison Spider, which we came up, to Gold Bar Rim. And of course, y'all know Gold Bar Rim because I go get rigs out of there all the time. So splitting off of Gold Bar Rim is a trail called Where Eagles Dare. We got to circle around to the backside and come in and grab the, not a razor. I call everything a razor, but it's not a razor. It's a General. It's a Polaris General. We're gonna go in there and grab that, load it up, and head out of here. Oh, better engage the snorkel. So there's the entrance to Where Eagles Dare. That trail splits off, runs around, overlooks the tunnel and all that, and comes back in, and where it ties back into Golden Spike, that's where we got to get this razor. Side by side. You know what it is.
Polaris General.
right, so here we are at said vehicle. Side by side. I'm gonna see if it'll move, if it'll at least drive over here. We may have to winch it the whole way, but we'll see what happens.
He drives. Look how good he looks in there.
That's all she got.
Now what? What you need?
Oh no, don't tell me I did that.
What are you looking for?
So, let's go ahead and go with story time. So, somebody lost their other winch controller, and that somebody is this guy. So, we're having to use the lower winch to pick this up so that we can get it positioned on the trailer where we want. Look at that thing working awesomely. Hey, you want to run the button?
He trusts me with the winch remote.
Go up a little.
Not wide enough.
Okay, we're loaded up. Everything's attached to said trailer. We did remember to put the winch controller in the truck, so we're crushing it on that. Let's get out of here. We're gone. We're going.
So which way are we gonna go, Rory?
Let me consult my gyps. So it says 10 miles to the Gemini Bridges. The Poison Spider trailhead, it is 9 miles. But hang on. All we gotta do is get to the bottom of Gold Bar, and then it's a dirt road.
Mm-hmm.
It's 5 miles.
I think we should go that way.
Yeah, I think so.
I've stayed on so far. We're in good shape.
Hey, I flicked the strap and I said that thing ain't going nowhere. So we're good.
Nicely done, Rory.
Thanks, Jack.
What happened?
So, that showcased a few things. The reason for how I built the trailer is to keep it low with no suspension. So yeah, it flexes, but there's a lot of weight down low and keeps it stable when you have a rig sitting that high up on top of it. And also why I have the truck set up with slightly higher gears than it should have. Should be a little lower, it crawled that a little better, but it tells me when there's something hung up. It stalls out and goes, something's going on, figure it out, instead of just power through it till something snaps. So that showcased a lot of reasons of why I've built everything the way I've built it. There it is, my first ever scratched rig. All right, so there we are. We're down to this intersection of Gold Bar and Gemini bridges. So this is just dirt road out to the main road. We'll jump on the highway, get back to the shop, get it unloaded. We got it out of there. Like I said, we were right in the middle, and distance-wise, it was either or. I think we're quicker coming this way that we came, less obstacles. Yeah, I scuffed a fender. I'm very emotional about it. I've never done that before, so first time for everything. It happens. I'll talk with the customer and we'll get it worked out. Thanks to Jake for coming and slinging the camera. Turn the camera around, Jake. Say hey.
Hey, you're welcome, Rory.
Alrighty, and thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks for all the support. You guys are rock. Thank you so much. It's like straight down, kind of. Look at that big old shelf right there. See how thin it gets right there? Is all. I'm gonna stand out there. I've said it before, and I will continue saying it. I have a beautiful office